You are watching Aerial Mix TV. My topic for today is all about different types of coneflower. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are always updated to my new videos. Now let's begin. 18 different types of coneflowers. Echinacea. Echinacea, which is also known as coneflowers, is a type of plant that is easy to care for. Flowers resemble the blooms on a daisy, and they came in a variety of colors that vary based on the type of coneflower that you planted. Most variations grow to be between 2 and 4 feet tall, and the brightly colored blooms will attract a lot of pollinators to your garden. Echinacea, Secret Passion. The Secret Passion variety of the Echinacea is a 2-foot plant with flamingo pink blooms that appear during the summer months of the year. These blooms are bright in color, and they are double blooms that have a large pink center that attracts pollinators to the space. It can grow in partial to full sun. Echinacea, Sombrero Lemon Yellow. This is a plant with bright yellow blooms that can be seen during the early summer months. Its blooms are about 3 inches in diameter, and they will do well in full sun, lots of humidity, and dry soil. It makes an excellent border plant that attracts birds and butterflies to the space. Echinacea Eccentric. This eccentric plant is one that catches your eye in any garden. It matures to have a red-orange bloom that is about 6 inches in diameter. The entire plant grows to be about 2 feet tall in full sun conditions and well-drained, slightly dry soil. It will attract bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies to your garden. Echinacea Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia is a variation of the coneflower that has colorful blooms that change colors as the season progresses. It changes from a reddish-orange color to coral pink. These relatively small plants are easy to care for. All they need is full sun, average water, and some type of soil to grow. Echinacea Cheyenne Spirit. The Cheyenne Spirit is an option that will give you pink, purple, red, pink, orange, yellow, and white blooms that resemble a sunset. These blooms appear in early summer and last until the first frost. This plant thrives in full sun with well-drained soil of any type. Echinacea Amazing Dream. The Amazing Dream is a variation that has bright pink bloom that grows from late summer until early fall. They will grow in full sun or partial shade, and it will grow best in somewhat dry soil that drains well. The bright blooms attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. Echinacea Cleopatra. This plant has vibrant, yellow blooms that have a copper-colored center. This plant does well in most conditions, and it's tolerant of high heat and poor soil. It will grow to be about 2 feet in height, and it can be seen mostly in zones 4 to 8. Echinacea Supreme Cantaloupe. This variation is called a supreme cantaloupe because the blooms are soft orange, just like the inside of a cantaloupe. The center of the is slightly darker, but this beautiful color will attract bees and butterflies to your home. It grows best in hardiness zones 4 and above, and it does well in sandy soil and lots of sun. Echinacea Art's Pride. This is a type of echinacea that has blooms that are tangerine orange in color. They make beautiful bouquets, and they grow best in soil that is not too fertile. They prefer full to some sun to grow, and with the appropriate care, they can easily grow to be about 3 feet tall. Echinacea Tennesseensis. This variety of echinacea has a copper center with rose-colored petals surrounding it. The petals are spaced far apart, but it looks great with other flowers. It is a common wildflower in zones 5 and 6, and it needs sandy, well-draining soil to grow. Echinacea Harvest Moon. If you like the look of sunflowers, this earthy variety will create beautiful gold blooms for your garden. They bloom from mid to late summer, and with full sun, they will grow to be 2 to 3 feet in height. They grow well in sandy soil, and they attract pollinators to your outdoor space. Echinacea, Tiki torch. The intense bright orange color of this next coneflower, and the blooms stay this color for weeks. The plant is tolerant of drought, high humidity, and poor soil, so it should not be difficult to grow. It will also attract hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies to your garden. Echinacea, Pixi Meadowbride. This is a dwarf coneflower that has blooms that are pink in color and very fragrant. Blooms occur throughout the summer, but sometimes sporadic blooms can be seen in the fall before it gets too cold in zones 4 to 9. This plant will grow in most conditions, so full to partial sun is acceptable. Echinacea Purpurea, butterfly kisses. This coneflower has compact, double blooms that are pink in color and very fragrant. The flowers are about 3 inches across, and a fully mature plant will grow to be about 2 feet tall. This plant can grow in full sun to partial shade, and it only needs well-draining soil to grow. Echinacea Purpurea, green eyes. This is another unique-looking flower that will take a spotlight in your garden. It has bright magenta flowers during the summer month, and they have a green center in the plant that looks like eyes. They look great when planted with black-eyed Susans, and they will attract hummingbirds to your garden. They grow best in full sun conditions with well-drained soil. Echinacea Purpurea, green jewel. The green jewel is a very vibrant green plant that looks unique because of the blooms being the same color. The flower is fragrant, and it will last for an entire blooming season. This plant grows best in full sun to areas that have slight shade. Echinacea Purpurea, white swan. If you enjoy having white flowers in your garden, this is a variation to try. It only grows to be 2 to 3 feet tall, so it will make the perfect edging in your garden. It can grow in the sun or shade in any type of soil. It thrives on neglect, so you can even forget to water it occasionally. Echinacea Purpurea, double-decker. This is a unique variation of coneflower that is pink in color but looks quite different. It has petals that grow out of the top and the bottom of the central cone. It can easily grow to be 4 feet tall and grows in most conditions because it is tolerant of sun, soil, and humidity. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.